Please follow the steps below to assemble this desk. Make sure that the parts are complete. First, take out parts 1, 2, and 3. The accessories require 8 screws A and an Allen key E. Connect tubes 1 and 2, making sure the holes on tube 3 are properly fitted. Tighten the screws on the center tube of part 3 75%, then tighten them 90% with the Allen key E. Next, take out part 4. Take out 8 screws B and 8 washers C, and tighten the holes on the outside of part 4 by 75% with screws B and washers C. Take out 8 screws A, and tighten the holes on the inside of part 4 by 75% with screws A. Take out 2 parts 5 and 3 accessory plugs D, and insert accessory plugs D into the holes of part 5. Push hard on both sides of the tabletop to avoid gaps at the connection of the tabletop. As shown in the video, turn the table legs upside down on the back of the tabletop, remove the 12 screws B, and tighten the remaining holes of parts 1, 2, and 4 by 75% with screws B. Finally, tighten all screws 100% with Allen wrench E. The table is now assembled.